So, just how well does a Cinewhoop like this one fly on an extremely windy day? We're about to find out. So if you're watching this video, you already know that a Cinewhoop like this with these big ducts on the sides doesn't handle the wind very well at all. And I thought, well, today is a crazy windy day. It's like 23 to 25 mile an hour constant wind with 40 mile an hour wind gusts, like that one, which is gonna make flying this really, really difficult. But I thought, what the heck, let's get out here and give it a shot. All right, why do I have a bad feeling about this? All right, here we go. Whoa, it's angry. It is very, very angry. Come back. Oh my gosh, I need to up the camera angle if I want to go into the wind at all. I can fight it, just barely. And if I go this way, it goes super fast. Oh my gosh. This is weird. Come back down, come back down. Landing this is not going to be easy. All right, let's see, what kind of angle do I have to be at just to hold steady? It's vibrating and shaking so much. Even my DJI goggle feeds got jello. Well, I can get down a little bit lower to the ground and see where I'm going. Do a loop. Ah! Holy cow. Oh, touchdown. That is like almost full throttle just to hover in place up there. If I get really low, it's a little bit better. Whoa, another wind gust. You can see off in the corner there, the flags just waving like crazy. Wow, now the car is just shaking around me. So how's that? Like 45-degree angle just to hold steady? There's no way I could like go out and chase that car right now. And if I turn around at all, I'm going 50 miles an hour with the wind. Let's do a little power loop. Whoa. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, here's another big gust of wind. All right, so yes, Cinewhoop can fly in super wind, but there's no point because it's almost uncontrollable. I should have really upped my camera tilt on this for sure. See if I can go around a tree. Not easily. Ooh, I don't want to be over the road just in case I crash. All right, let's get low out of with a little less wind. Man, it's just shaking all over the place. I'm sure Hypersmooth is going to take care of a little of that, but not all of it. All right, now I can turn around and come back with the wind. And it's just wobbling all over the place. Totally insane. All right, now I got to try to land before my battery explodes. All right, not my best landing, but I got it down in one piece. So that's all that matters, right? Whew. Well, the ND filter popped off right there at the end, but luckily I found it. All right. Well, can you fly a Cinewhoop in 25 to 40 mile an hour winds? Yes, you can. Should you? No, you should not fly it in these windy conditions. All right, just as a quick comparison, I'm gonna get my old trusty 5-inch out here and fly around in this insane wind. And it's gonna be not great, but I bet it's gonna fly a whole lot better than that Cinewhoop did. All right, time to try the 5-inch. Oh yeah, night and day difference. Like, sure, it doesn't really like the wind and it's shaking around a lot, but like, I can still fly. Not much of a problem at all. Let's see if I do a bit of a power loop. Whee! Fly all the way back to me. All right, just in case you were wondering how windy is it, take a look at those flags. It's windy. Let's look at that again. Yep, it's windy. But now let's compare. Remember, I had to be at like a 45-degree angle just to hold still on the other one. Not nearly so bad with this one. Oops, I wasn't quite holding still, but I was getting close to the trees there. Yeah, see, not bad at all. And I actually could go follow a car down the road in this kind of wind if I needed to. So, not so bad. And no, the wind didn't just suddenly die down for this drone. Those big ducks make a huge difference. Like, I even have confidence enough that I could just go fly wherever without too much of a trouble. Whoa, wind. Of course, if you get down nice and low, the wind isn't quite as bad. Just got to be aware of which direction the wind's coming from and which way it's going to push you. But in wind like this, I don't think I would try anything like going through any narrow gaps or anything. It would not be very easy to do. Even these little trees here are hard. Could probably make it under this fence because it's straight into the wind, so it's not quite so tricky. Doing things sideways, like, whoa, that direction is way more difficult because the wind is blowing me that way. But if I go with the wind, I can just go ripping super fast. All right, time to come back. High speed. No idea what speed that is, but I'm sure if I did full throttle for very long with the wind, it would be ridiculously fast. Especially if I caught a 40-mile-an-hour wind gust and was following it. Well, there you have it. That is flying a Cinewhoop on a super crazy windy day. And while you can kind of do it, I don't recommend it. So now that I did it, you don't have to. Anyway, thanks for watching. Oops.